prevalence of breast cancer is 4%, which means that 2 people in 50 would get this condition during the course of their lifetime. The prevalence of diabetes mellitus is about 10%, which means that about 5 people would get this condition during their lifetime. The prevalence of HIV is 14%, which means that about 7 people during the course of their lifetime would contract HIV and be living with it. And the prevalence of hypertension is 26%, which means that about 13 people in 50 would be diagnosed with this during the course of their lifetime. So those are all conditions that we know are common. When you look at intimate partner violence, the prevalence of IPV is 36%, which means that a staggering 18 women in 50 will be affected during the course of their lifetime. Most of the statistics we've used apply to the whole population. The statistic on intimate partner violence applies to violence against women because statistics on how that affects men are difficult to come by, but it is clearly a massive problem. And even if we ourselves are not experiencing it, it does affect us all in one way or another and in ways that we cannot even imagine. Intimate partner violence is clearly a massive issue that we do not often think of as a healthcare problem, the way we conceptualize other healthcare problems that affect individuals and societies, whereas in fact it is a healthcare problem. It has massive consequences and impacts on just about every other medical condition you can think of.